Alright, it's Green Hill Gardens here. Just finishing up the job of the 3 pillars at the funeral home. And yeah, I'll give you guys a look at the finished job. She's looking beautiful. And like I said, Green Hill, you know, we don't play no games here. We ain't shining no shoes out here. You know, we're just doing elite gardening over here. That's it. So that was pillar 1. I will walk over to pillar 2, which is the middle pillar. We got a beautiful color arrangement with these flowers we put in. And that's how we do at Green Hill, you know. Like I said, we're always turning dreams into reality over here. Highest quality work in the game. And now we'll walk over to the final pillar. And there we go. Some beautiful flowers in there. Great clean job. And like I said, high quality work all the time with us. So we'll run through all the pillars again. Have one last look at her. There we go. Another job well done. Green Hill Gardens. We're turning dreams into reality.